No real business was built in a day. Despite what some gurus will tell you, it takes time and effort to build a solid, sustainable business. As the ancient Chinese philosopher Lao Tzu put it, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The great news for you is that once you've completed your sales funnel, you're 90% of the way there. From that point, all you have to do is see what works, tweak it a bit, and then see how that goes. As you get more subscribers and your business grows, you can expand into other niches, create new products in your current one, or use the funds towards a new venture such as investing. I hope you've enjoyed this training, and I wish you nothing but success with your list building efforts.